Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital. Today I'm demonstrating a DC-40T-DN-BCD, and it's mounted in a NEMA 4X enclosure for a high moisture environment. The customer is going to be using them for forklifts when they go between buildings and the door opening. So they have so much time to get through the door before it closes, and they wanted a 5-second warning, and that would be flashing. I'll go ahead and demonstrate that. You can set this timer up for up to 99 minutes 59 seconds, and you use these BCD switches. So they're a rotary switch, and I'll show you how to get into the cover to change them. So they've got a 30-second door opening, I think is typical, so that the door comes open, it activates this is my simulation of the door coming open and allowing the forklift to go through. They have 30 seconds to get through, and then when it gets down to the 5 seconds, it starts to flash, letting them know the door is getting ready to close, and then obviously it's closed at 0. And it's ready for the next door opening. So this is just some of the stuff that we can do. This is a custom program for this customer. We make we make all of our products here. We do not make the 4X enclosure, but we do make our all aluminum enclosures here, and we do all our programming. All our circuit boards are made here. Everything is manufactured here. The NEMA 4X enclosure, though, it's pretty simple to get into. I'll show you. It's just flip these two. This is the new enclosure for us. Flip that up, and then you would just use I'll pull out my handy dandy screwdriver here. Well, it's over there. And just a small flat bladed screwdriver, or you can just twist them, but one twist. And I just made it 10 minutes and 30 seconds, and there you have it. Go ahead and close the lid, and then snap down your cover. No tools required for that. To mount it, they have a tab that comes out here. It's a metal tab on 4 corners, and then you just mount it to the wall that way. This is a 4-inch high display, 4-inch LED. 9-foot high moisture waterproof 3-prong plug. We put those on all of our NEMA enclosures, and then these are cable glands that seal around the cable entry. This is your input, and then obviously your power. So again, this is Jim with DC Digital, and this is a DC-40T-DN-BCD with a NEMA 4X enclosure. Thank you.